Hello, everyone. Welcome to ClearTalk English. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Mark. Hi, everybody.
We're so happy you're here with us today. This podcast helps you learn English in a fun and natural way.
That's right. We talk about everyday topics, and today we have a really fun one.
Yes, today we're talking about hobbies and free time. What do you like to do when you're not working?
Oh, this is exciting. I love talking about hobbies.
We too. We all need hobbies, right? They help us relax and have fun.
Exactly. And maybe our listeners can get some new ideas today.
I hope so. All right, let's start with our intro music. Okay, so Mark, let's start with a simple question. What do you do in your free time?
Well, I have a few hobbies. I really like reading books and playing guitar.
Oh, you play guitar? That's cool.
Yeah, I'm not very good, but I enjoy it. What about you, Sarah?
I love cooking, and I also like going for walks in the park.
Nice. Cooking is a great hobby. Do you cook every day?
Not every day, but maybe 3 or 4 times a week when I have time, you know?
Right. Finding time for hobbies is not always easy.
Exactly. That's something we want to talk about today. How do we find time for the things we love?
Yes, and also we want to share our hobbies with everyone listening.
Maybe you'll discover a new hobby today. Are you ready, Mark?
I'm ready. Let's do this.
So, Mark, you mentioned playing guitar. Tell me more about that. When did you start?
I started about 2 years ago. My friend had an old guitar and he gave it to me.
Oh, wow. That's a nice friend.
Yeah, so I started learning from YouTube videos. It's really fun.
Do you play every day?
I try to play 3 or 4 times a week, usually in the evening after dinner.
That's good. What kind of music do you play?
I like rock music, so I play a lot of rock songs. Simple ones, I'm still learning.
Hey, that's great. Do you play for other people?
Not really. I'm too shy. I just play for myself in my room.
I understand. Maybe one day you can play for us.
Maybe, we'll see. But you know what? Last week, something funny happened.
Oh, tell me.
I was playing guitar in my room and my neighbor knocked on the door. I thought, oh no, I'm too loud.
Were you too loud?
No, he wanted to know what song I was playing. He liked it.
That's so nice. See, you're better than you think.
Maybe, but I still need a lot of practice. What about your cooking? You said you love cooking.
Yes, I really do. I cook different things every week. Italian food, Mexican food, Asian food.
Wow, you cook food from many countries.
I try. I watch cooking videos online and then I try the recipes at home.
That sounds delicious. Do you cook alone or with someone?
Usually alone, but sometimes my sister comes over and we cook together. That's really fun.
Oh, that's nice. Do you have a favorite dish to make?
I think pasta. I love making pasta with different sauces. It's easy and always tasty.
Now I'm hungry.
Sorry, but cooking relaxes me. After a long day at work, I go to the kitchen and just cook.
I get it. It's the same with my guitar. When I play, I forget about work and stress.
Exactly. That's what hobbies are for, right?
Absolutely. Do you ever make mistakes when you cook?
Oh, all the time. Last month, I made a cake and I put salt instead of sugar.
No way. What happened?
It was terrible. Nobody could eat it. We all laughed so much.
That's funny. But mistakes are okay. We learn from them.
That's true. Now I always check my ingredients twice. So, we both have indoor hobbies. You play guitar inside, I cook inside.
That's true. Indoor hobbies are nice, especially in bad weather.
Right. When it's cold or raining, I'm happy to stay home and cook something warm.
Same here. I don't want to go outside when it's cold. I just want to stay in my room with my guitar.
Do you have other indoor hobbies?
Well, I also read a lot. Books, articles, stuff like that.
What kind of books?
I like adventure books and science fiction. Stories about space in the future.
Oh, interesting. I don't read science fiction much. I prefer cooking magazines.
That makes sense. Do you read them before bed?
Sometimes, but then I get hungry and I want to cook. That's not good at midnight.
I understand. I have the same problem with my guitar. Sometimes I want to play at night, but it's too late.
Yeah, we need to be careful with noise at night.
Exactly. So I read instead. Reading is quiet.
Good idea. I should read more too. Maybe cooking books during the day and other books at night.
Perfect plan.
But I also like outdoor hobbies. I told you I like walking in the park.
Yes, tell me about that. How often do you go?
I try to go every weekend. There's a beautiful park near my house. It has trees, a small lake, and lots of birds.
That sounds really peaceful.
It is. I walk for about an hour, sometimes more. I listen to music or podcasts while I walk.
Nice. Do you go alone or with friends?
Usually alone. It's my me time, Time to think and relax.
I understand that. Everyone needs alone time.
Exactly. But sometimes my neighbor joins me. She has a dog and we walk together.
Oh, that's nice. I love dogs.
Me too. Her dog is so cute. His name is Max.
Aw, does Max like the park?
He loves it. He runs and plays with other dogs. It's fun to watch.
That sounds great. I should do more outdoor activities. I spend too much time inside.
Yeah, it's good to go outside sometimes. The fresh air is nice.
You're right. Maybe I can start walking too.
You should. It's free and very healthy. Do you do any sports?
Not really. I'm not very sporty, but I sometimes ride my bike.
Oh, you have a bike?
Yeah, but I don't use it much. Maybe once or twice a month.
Where do you go when you ride?
There's a bike path near the river. It's really pretty. I go there when the weather is nice.
That sounds lovely. You should go more often.
You're right. Maybe I can go this weekend.
Good. Exercise is important too.
Yeah, I know. I sit at my desk all day for work. I need to move more.
Same here. That's another reason I walk in the park. It's good for my body and my mind. I noticed something, Mark. Most of your hobbies, you do them alone, right?
Yeah, that's true. I like doing things by myself. It's quiet and I can focus.
I understand. Sometimes it's nice to have alone time.
Exactly. When I read a book or play guitar, I don't want distractions.
Right. I'm the same with cooking sometimes. I like being alone in the kitchen, thinking about the recipe.
So you like solo hobbies too?
Yes, but I also like group activities.
Are you an extrovert? Someone who likes being with people?
I think I'm in the middle. Not too introverted, not too extroverted.
That's good. A balance. What about you? Are you introverted?
I think so. I get tired when I'm with too many people for too long.
I understand. Everyone is different, and that's okay.
Exactly. What do you do with other people?
Well, I'm in a book club. We meet once a month.
Oh, really? What's that like?
It's great. We all read the same book and then we meet and talk about it. We drink coffee and share our opinions.
That sounds fun. How many people are in the group?
About 8 or 9 people. They're all really nice. Wow, I don't think I could do that. I'm too shy to talk in groups.
It's okay. Everyone is shy at first, but then you get comfortable.
Maybe. I prefer small groups, like just 1 or 2 friends.
That's fine too. Everyone is different. Do you meet friends for hobbies?
Sometimes I go to a cafe with my friend Tom. We drink coffee and talk about books.
See, that's a group hobby.
I guess you're right. It's a very small group, but it's still a group.
Exactly. And small groups can be really nice, more personal.
That's true. I like conversations with 1 or 2 people. I can really listen and talk.
Right. In big groups, sometimes it's hard to hear everyone.
Yeah, so I think small groups are perfect for me.
And that's totally fine. Do what makes you happy. Okay, so let's talk about time. When do you find time for your hobbies?
That's a good question. It's not easy. I work Monday to Friday, 9 to 5.
Right, me too. So when do you play guitar?
Usually in the evening. After dinner, around 7 or 8 o'clock. I play for maybe 30 minutes or an hour.
That's good. What about weekends?
Weekends are better. I have more time. On Saturday morning, I sometimes play for 2 hours.
Wow, 2 hours. You really love it.
I do. Saturday morning is my favorite time. The house is quiet, I have coffee, and I just play.
That sounds perfect. I love that feeling when you have time and no stress.
Exactly. What about you? When do you cook?
I cook on weeknights, but I make quick meals. Easy things, you know? But on Sunday, I cook something special. I spend 2 or 3 hours in the kitchen.
Sunday cooking. That's nice.
Yeah, it's my special time. I don't rush, I just enjoy the process.
Do you cook for your family on Sundays?
Sometimes, my parents come over for lunch. I cook a big meal and we eat together.
That's wonderful. Food and family.
Yes, it's my favorite day of the week.
Do you think it's hard to find time for hobbies?
Sometimes, yes. Life is busy. Work, family, housework, there's always something to do.
I know. That's why I try to schedule my hobby time.
What do you mean?
Well, I put it in my calendar, like Tuesday, 7 p.m. guitar practice.
Oh, that's smart.
It helps me remember. If I don't schedule it, I forget or I'm too tired.
That's a great tip. I should do that too.
You should. It really works. I treat my hobby time like an appointment.
Like a meeting?
Exactly. I don't cancel meetings, so I don't cancel hobby time.
I love that. I'm going to try it this week.
Great. Let me know how it goes.
I will. I think the important thing is to make hobbies a priority.
Yes, they're not just extra activities. They're important for our happiness.
Absolutely. If we only work and never have fun, we get tired and sad.
That's so true. We need balance in life.
Right. Work is important, but so is rest and fun.
Exactly.
So, Mark, are there any new hobbies you want to try?
Oh, yes. I want to learn photography.
Really? That's interesting.
Yeah, I see beautiful photos on Instagram and I think, I want to do that.
Do you have a camera?
Not yet. Cameras are expensive, but maybe I can start with my phone.
That's a good idea. Phone cameras are very good now.
True. I might start next month. What about you? Any new hobbies?
I want to learn gardening.
Gardening, like growing plants?
Yes, I want to grow vegetables and herbs in my backyard. Tomatoes, basil, things like that.
That sounds wonderful. And then you can cook with your own vegetables.
Exactly. That's the dream. Fresh vegetables from my garden to my kitchen.
You should definitely do it. When will you start?
Probably in spring. That's the best time to plant things.
Good luck. I hope it goes well.
Thanks. You too with photography.
Thanks. Maybe we can share our progress.
Ooh, that's a great idea. You can show me your photos and I can show you my plants.
Perfect. I like that plan. Sarah, do you have any hobbies you did before but stopped?
Let me think. Oh, yes, I used to paint.
Paint? Like art painting?
Yes, I painted pictures with watercolors. It was really relaxing.
Why did you stop?
I don't know. I got busy with work and I just stopped. I miss it sometimes.
Maybe you can start again.
Maybe. I still have all my painting supplies in a box somewhere.
Maybe you will find that box.
Maybe I will. What about you? Any past hobbies?
I used to play video games a lot.
Really? What changed?
I realized I was spending too much time on games, like 4 or 5 hours every day.
Oh, wow. That's a lot.
Yeah, it was too much, so I stopped. Now I play maybe once a month, just for fun.
That's more balanced.
Exactly. I needed to find better hobbies. That's when I started with the guitar.
Good choice.
Thanks. I think guitar is more creative than video games.
I agree. You're making music. That's special.
Yeah, I feel proud when I learn a new song.
You should. Learning new things is always good. Mark, we talked about this a little before, but how do hobbies help you?
Well, they help me relax. When I play guitar, I don't think about work or problems.
Yes, that's so important. We all need that escape.
Right. And hobbies also make me happy. They give me something to look forward to.
Oh, I love that. Something to look forward to. That's beautiful.
Thanks. What about you? How do your hobbies help you?
Cooking helps me be creative. Every time I cook, I can try something new.
Nice.
And walking in the park helps me think. Sometimes I have problems, and during my walk, I find solutions.
That's great. So hobbies help us in different ways.
Exactly. Mental health, physical health, creativity, hobbies are really important.
I think hobbies also help us meet new people.
Oh, yes, like my book club. I made new friends there.
See, that's another benefit. One last thing, Sarah. How do you balance work and hobbies?
That's not always easy, but I try to remember that hobbies are part of life, not separate from life.
What do you mean?
I mean, life is not just work. We need fun too. So I make time for hobbies, even when I'm busy.
That's a good way to think about it.
What's your tip for balance?
I think don't feel guilty. Sometimes people feel guilty for taking time for hobbies.
Oh, yes, that's so true.
But we shouldn't feel guilty. Hobbies make us better workers and better people.
Absolutely. Everyone listening, remember that. Take time for your hobbies. Don't feel guilty.
Yes, you deserve it.
And you know what? When we have hobbies, we're happier, and happy people work better.
That's right. It's all connected.
Exactly. So, hobbies help everything in our life. Well, Mark, this was a great conversation. I learned a lot about your hobbies.
Me too, and I really want to try your cooking someday.
I'm always welcome. Maybe I can teach you a recipe.
I'd love that.
So, everyone, we talked about many things today: indoor hobbies, outdoor hobbies, finding time, trying new things.
The most important message is hobbies are important. They make life better.
Exactly. So, we have a question for you. Write in the comments, what is your favorite hobby? What do you like to do in your free time?
Yes, please tell us. We want to know. Maybe you have a hobby we never heard of.
Oh, that would be interesting. We love learning about new hobbies.
And if you enjoyed this episode, please give us a like.
And don't forget to subscribe to ClearTalk English. We have new episodes every week.
That's right. We talk about different topics to help you learn English naturally.
So hit that subscribe button.
Thank you so much for listening today.
Yes, thank you. We appreciate you.
Take care, everyone.
Bye-bye.
See you next time on Clear Talk English.
Happy hobbies, everyone.